Hi, this is our teeth whitening gel and its function is to whiten our teeth. Our gel with an amazing effect. Our gel with 4 different ingredients. The first one is the hydrogen peroxide, the second one is the carbamate peroxide, and the PAP and non-peroxide. And also we can customize different logo. You can see this teeth whitening gel with our IVI Smile logo. If you have your own logo, we can customize it for you. And then you can see there are many different colors for the gel, like the clear one, the black one, and orange one. Anyway, so many different colors we can customize it. And also you can see the color for the pole, yeah, and also for the tip. You can see this is the blue pole and blue tip, and this is the pink. And also for this one is the clear. So we can also customize the different colors for the pole and the tip. And also we have many different volumes, like you can see this one and this one. This one is more slimmer, but for this one you can see the difference. This is a bigger volume and this one is smaller one. And how to use it? You just need to change this shorter tip into this longer tip, this longer one, and you just need to twist it. And then you can see this little tip, you just need to break it. And then after you break this top, and then you just need to fill the gel on your teeth, then you finished it.